Minutes ago, day 2 of deliberations in the Raul Valle murder trial ended without a verdict.
And earlier today, the judge told the jurors to keep working when they said they're deadlocked. The 6 men and 6 women just got the case yesterday, and they have sent some notes telling the court they're at a standstill.
Matt McFarland is your reporter live outside Milford Superior Court, where jurors reheard some testimony right before the court day ended. Matt.
Hi there, Aaron and Mark. Yeah, that third note from the jury coming late this afternoon, telling the judge that they wanted to hear playback of testimony from Raul Valle himself, specifically detailing the fight that night, May 14th, 2022. In the testimony that was played back, Valle, that was the point when he was sobbing, saying that he saw his friend getting beaten up, saying he just could not leave him there, saying what type of friend would he be. They also heard a portion of the cross-examination. During that part, that's when the state tried pointing out that his friend actually wasn't even engaged in the fight at that point, and he and Valle weren't surrounded by the other teens when Valle went back onto the lawn with the knife. Now, earlier in the day, though, we had another note from the jury to the judge saying that they were deadlocked on all 4 charges. 20-year-old Raul Valle, he is charged with murder in that May 14th, 2022 stabbing death of 17-year-old Jimmy McGrath outside that Shelton house party. He's also charged with stabbing 3 other teens that night as well. Now, Valle's attorney argues this is a case of self-defense, but in laying out its case, the prosecution pointed out Valle was the only one armed with a weapon that night, claiming he escalated the fight by returning to the party with a knife, looking to retaliate. As for her instructions to those jurors who were deadlocked, well, she says inside the deliberation room, they have all the evidence exhibits at their disposal. She also said they can request to listen to the playback of any testimony if needed, which is exactly what they did late this afternoon.
Kindly explain your views and listen to the views of others. That goes for everyone. Ultimately, of course, you will make up your own mind and decide this case upon the basis of your own individual judgment and conscience. So at this time, I am going to redirect you to the jury room to continue on with your deliberations relative to this case.
Now, the judge sent the jurors home just before 5. They will be back tomorrow morning to continue their deliberations. Coming up tonight at 6, you're going to hear some parts of the testimony that those jurors wanted to hear played back today. That coming up at 6. Your reporter live outside Milford Superior Court, Matt McFarland, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.